Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to handle this situation. If the line x equals alpha divides the area of the region this into two equal parts, then you have to find out this which one is correct. Okay, so look at this, how beautiful this question is. And so let's handle this situation. So we have this as the first function. So look at this, how I will approach. So x cube smaller than equal to y smaller than equal to x. So look at this, what I will do. So my point is, first I will draw the graph, then we will check what is required, and then we will proceed further. Okay, so look at here. So because of this, can I write y equals x cube? Now we will try to draw the graph of x cube, and we have to draw in the given room 0 to 1. Okay, so at 0 the graph will be 0, and at 1 the graph will be 1. It will go this way. Okay, so this is my point. Now look at this part. So if you'll observe this thing, you have to say that sir y is equal to x. Okay, so who is y equal to x? Look at here. This is y equal to x. Now you have to judge which part of area we have to cover. Okay, so look at here. First try to understand that this part we have to handle this situation, means x cube should be smaller than equal to y. Okay, now look at this. So you know that this is 1. So can I consider this to be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 0? Means the area should be either this way or this way. Means above that blue curve or below that blue curve. Okay, so if it is 1 by 2 comma 0, if I'll give this input as this part, you will have output as 1 by 8. Okay, so you will have here, so it is what, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 8. So if you will observe here, axis y should be, look at this, y should be greater, but if you will observe here, this is smaller than x, correct? Or suppose that you are not understanding this part, look at this point. First I will remove this part. Now you have to cover up this situation or this situation, correct? Now just satisfy this point, 1 by 2 comma 0, and let's check which is correct, or this inequality is holding true or not. So this person will become 1 by 8 and this person will become 0. What do you think, this situation is correct or wrong? Exactly, this is wrong. Why? Y is smaller. This means that we have to be focused on above part. Okay, so for blue curve we have to find out above part. Clear? Now, so above part. Now be focused for this situation. So it says x should be this way. Now substitute the same point, means we have to be focused on this situation, below the line yellow or above the line yellow. So just satisfy this point 1 by 2 comma 0, and let's check whether it holds true or not. So if you'll substitute here, you will find that it holds true. This means you have to be focused on below yellow curve. For yellow curve, it is below. For blue curve, it is above. So we have to calculate this area. I hope you understood the concept. Now look at this, how we will proceed. Now, they are saying that there is one x alpha. Okay, so there is one x which is named as alpha, which divides the region into two equal parts, and means two equal parts means what? Two equal area. So suppose that this is the line. Okay, x equals to alpha. So you have to find out this situation. Okay, so look at this, how I will proceed. First, I will go with the required area, and then I will equate it with the given situation. So suppose that I want to find out area of shaded region, means this between curve. Okay, so you know that you have to calculate area from 0 to 1. Now can I say that, sir, what I will do, first I will find out this area below the curve, yellow line. Okay, now what I will do, I will subtract this area and things will be done. So look at this, how we will proceed. So can I say that we have to subtract, so like write down the yellow curve first. So it is what we are calculating with respect to x, so it is dx. So here we will be writing y minus integration from 0 to 1 dx y. This is y1, this is y2, is equal to, look, because of this alpha, the area is being divided into two parts. Okay, so can I say that this area will be the half of the whole area? So can I say that if you will multiply by 2, it will become complete? So area from 0 to alpha, and it is same situation, y1 dx minus integration from 0 to alpha y2 dx. Just tell me that you're comfortable over here or not. Okay, now as you know that the limit is same, so you can club these two integration, 0 to 1 y1 minus y2. So who is y1? Y1 is x. Who is y2? Y2 is x cube, means blue curve. X cube dx is equal to 2 times integration from 0 to alpha. Same thing will be happening over here, x minus x cube dx. Now do the integration part. So we have x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 3, and then upper limit, lower limit. Okay, now here we have same situation, x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4. Sorry, over here it is 4, here also we will have 4. Now just apply the limit, it is 0 to alpha. Now if you will substitute 1, you will be left with 1 by 2. Wait a moment. So we have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 times alpha power 2 by 2 minus alpha power 4 by 4. And if you'll substitute the lower limit, it will become 0 like the previous one. Now, if you'll observe the left hand side part, it will become 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4. So this is your left hand side part. So here also you can multiply and divide by 2 so that it can become 4. So here also you will have 4 everywhere. So this thing and this thing will be neutralized. And we will be left with 1 will be equal to 4 times alpha square minus 2 times alpha power 4. So if you will take everything on the same side, you will be left with 2 alpha power 4 minus 4 alpha square plus 1 equals to 0. So I hope this part is clear, and if you observe, you can connect with the option D. Okay, I hope things are clear. Like if you'll observe, it is connecting with D. And now look at this. This is like a like multi-correct question. So you have to break down another situation. Means we have to check which one is correct, which one is wrong. So what we will do? We will factorize this. So can I say that alpha square will be equal to, we will take alpha square as x. So we will have quadratic in x. So minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now look at here. So we will break down this situation. So 4 plus it is 8. So it is 2 root 2 by 4. 4 minus 2 root 2 by 4. Let's break down this part. So we are left with 1 plus 2 root 2 and then 1 plus root 2 by 2, 1 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, so we got this situation. Now if you will observe this part is clearly greater than 1. Correct or wrong? Alpha square is greater than 1 means you are adding something, no? So it should be greater, means alpha will be, look at this, they are saying that alpha should be between 0 and 1. So if alpha is a number in between 0 and 1, if you do square, it will become much more smaller. Okay, but they are going beyond 1, so this is the wrong part. So this is correct. Okay, so who is this? 1 minus 1 by root 2. So alpha square is this. Okay, now we will simplify things to find out the value of alpha. So can I say that alpha square is root 2 alpha square root 2 minus 1. Okay, so look at this, how we will handle. Okay, so alpha square is this. So we will check in which part it is lying. Okay, look at this. It is smaller than 1. Correct na? So if it is smaller than 1, can we go with smaller than 1? So look at this part. Here it will lie. Why it will lie? Look at here. This is 1 divided by root 2. Correct na? So look at this, what is 1 divided by root 2? Okay, 1 divided by 1.414. So look at this is 0.7. So if you will subtract zero point 0.7 from 1, you will be left with what? 0.3. So it is close to 0. Okay. So it is not the correct idea because this is zero point 0.5. So option C is correct. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.